Does your ISP have an automated customer sign-up and pre-qualification system? Would you like to simplify your FCC Form 477 filing? Would you like a list of names and addresses for marketing based on wireless signal strength? Tower Coverage allows you to create accurate RF propagation, fiber, and cable coverage maps for any geographical location in the world, as well as point-to-point link path calculations, helping ISPs, first responder networks, campus networks, oil and gas, municipalities, and utility companies plan for mission-critical wireless networks. Using Tower Coverage, you can build your coverage maps using a variety of tools designed to fit your specific needs. Let's say, for example, that you're an internet service provider that wants to automatically qualify incoming leads. For this purpose, you will use Tower Coverage to create an RF propagation map based on the height of your towers and the specifications of your wireless equipment. Once you have your coverage map built, you can use our website integration tool to embed a form on your site that will allow your potential customers to check their eligibility for your service. After your potential customer verifies their location via a pin drop, Tower Coverage will run a link path calculation, analyze the results, and output that result directly into your billing system and send your sales staff an email with signal strength and link path profiles to that location. You can edit any of these submissions within Tower Coverage, adding relevant notes and changing how they appear on your map. This allows you to map out areas of need and plan your future expansion. Tower Coverage even has a tool that automatically determines the best location to deploy a new tower based on your coverage needs. Tower Coverage displays that information in the form of a heat map with the ability to overlay the FCC's ASR database. This allows you to determine the most ideal spot to complete your build-out. After you build your new tower, you can download an address list of all individuals that live in that coverage area, filter them by signal strength, and begin marketing your new service to them. This is just one example of the many things that Tower Coverage can do to help you grow and optimize your organization by using accurate, usable data. To begin automating your critical mapping operations, visit TowerCoverage.com or call 636-671-6262 today.